Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to install N8N on Hostinger. Now the first thing that you need to do, of course we're going to be using the template. Okay, that's the easiest way by using Hostinger's VPS template. So you come here to the H panel, log into your preferred method, and then once you're logged in, navigate here to the VPS section to the left hand side and just choose the VPS you want to apply the N8N template to and hit the manage button next to it. Okay, and once you are in the VPS dashboard, you just open the OS panel drop down menu on the left hand and select operating system. Okay, and this is where you find the operating systems and their templates available for your VPS server. So as you can see, we have Ubuntu, Arch Linux, CentOS. Okay, we have a different options for each. So that's literally it. So come here, this Ubuntu, for example. Now here, just in the ChangeOS panel, just type N8N into the search bar and select the N8N template. And if a dialog window opens up, click or tap on ChangeOS, okay? You should see a dialog window informing you that your VPS OS will be overwritten and all files will be deleted. Just put a check mark next to it, enter a password for the root user, and come here and click on confirm. And then your template setup will begin. You'll see a progress bar here on your dashboard, for example, here. And after you wait a short while, your N8N instance will be ready for use. So to just test it out, what you can do is in the VPS overview page, you can click on manage app for N8N. Okay. This will open up the N8N dialog window for registration, which should look something like this. And you just simply enter your details and create a password according to this and hit the next button. And here you'll see your N8N panel in the default view like this. That means your setup was successful. You can either start from scratch or use their AI examples, but otherwise it's really that easy and simple. Go ahead and configure it. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.